In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an availability schedule in Calendly. Setting up your availability correctly is one of the most important parts of using Calendly because it controls exactly when people can book time with you. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to add time intervals, adjust them to match your working hours, and make sure your time zone is set properly so you don't get any surprise bookings at odd hours. First, head over to your Calendly dashboard and sign in if you're not already logged in. Once you're on your main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a column with different options. Find the one labeled Availability and click on it. This is where Calendly keeps all the rules that decide when you're free to take meetings. On the availability page, you'll see your schedule laid out, usually by days of the week. To start creating or adjusting the times you're available, look for a plus icon. This icon lets you add a new interval of time during which people can book a meeting with you. Click that plus icon to add a new availability interval to the day you're working on. Once the new interval appears, you'll see fields that look something like time to time. For example, from 9 o'clock a.m. to 12 a.m. Click into the first time field and choose the exact start time you want. Then click into the second field and set the end time. Think about your real working hours here. When you actually want to start and stop taking meetings, including breaks for lunch or deep work. If you need more than one block of availability in a single day, just repeat this process. Click the plus icon again to add another interval, then adjust the start and end times the same way. For example, you might have a morning block and an afternoon block. Go through each day you want to customize, adding or editing intervals until the schedule matches how you actually work. Finally, look towards the bottom of the availability section for the time zone setting. Calendly will usually detect your current time zone, but if you travel often or work with people in different regions, you may want to double check this. Click on the time zone label, choose the correct one from the list, and confirm your selection. This step is crucial because your availability will be shown to invitees based on this time zone. Once you've adjusted your intervals and confirmed your time zone, your availability schedule in Calendly is ready to use.